A day in the life of an Indian-Filipino couple living in the Philippines. Nani namaskara, mabuhay. Another day without work naman, and so it means a family day for us. We decided to visit Mama and Uncle today. It will be a 2.5 hour drive from Davao City to Hagonoy, Digos City. With this long travel, I see to it that Chuchu will not have a screen time. Good thing before kami umalis ng bahay, I received this parcel. So I brought it in the car and let Chuchu unpouched it.
Like Mama, what's inside this car? What's inside? What's inside Mama? Wow! Wow! Okay, Mama. Mama, it's not favorite.
Chuchu's favorite. So what is that?
The gold tail.
What is that? What is that?
Oh, and there's the moon. And there's Saturn.
Chuchu is very crazy on planets kaya in-order ko tong softballs na planets. Every time we are having a long drive, I am always bringing his toys so that he will not feel bored inside the car. Though we can play his favorite shows in the car screen, but it would be the last option if bored na siya sa mga toys and looking outside. Most of the time, kinakausap namin siya and this is our way na to connect with him and enhance more his vocabulary. Ika nga, learning while traveling.
Where?
Ocean, over there.
That one?
Yes.
Yeah, that's an ocean.
I want to check the ocean.
You want to swim?
No.
No, what
So
to swim? Just only
dangerous.
checking?
It's so dangerous.
Yeah, so dangerous to swim in the ocean.
To get dirty. To drink on the drink the water on the ocean. To
Yeah.
get wet and
Okay,
to drink the water on the ocean
okay.
and to save the ocean.
Take the ocean.
To save the water on the ocean.
How, Messi?
Shaking, shaking.
Like that. Wow, it's so strong.
Do you have the planet that thanks, Mama? I want that planet. I hate that planet. That's
Okay, what are the colors of the traffic light?
what the swap is like. Baby over there.
Oh, Jollibee.
This is the baby. This is a new toy.
Who gave you that?
Mama.
What are the toys?
Mercury, Jupiter, Mars, Mercury, Earth, Moon. This is Earth Moon. This is Earth Moon. That is Mars. And then it's Jupiter. Saturn. 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 This is Saturn. This is Saturn. This is Saturn.
Sa mga oras na to, halfway na kami sa biyahe. Nag-stop over muna kami sa Pasalubong Center sa May Digos to buy some foods na dadalhin kina Mama. Chuchu was so enjoyed kasi nakakita siya ng mga bata, which is bihira lang talaga to magka-playmates if nasa bahay kasi sa city kami nakatira at ang mga tao sa subdivision namin ay may kanya-kanyang pinagkakaabalahan at wala rin siyang kasing edad doon. Kaya sobrang excited niya every time makakita ng mga bata. Nag-hi pa nga siya sa little girl at natuwa naman ang parents ng bata kasi friendly daw si Chuchu. Ang station ng layo na ito ang siyang sign na papasok ka na sa Digos City proper. Nung nasa traffic light kami, may batang nangaroling. Nag-stop over ulit kami sa may fruit stand to buy some cold drinks. I bought a fruit juice for us and kay Chuchu naman is Dutch meal. Gusto talaga namin tong fruit juice sa kanto kina Mama dahil sobrang refreshing and made from the fruits talaga. So itong lugar pala nila Mama ay sa kalagitnaan ng rice field. Maganda ang view dito pag malapit na ang anihan, kaso nung pumunta kami, kakatapos lang din ng ani. Kakasemento lang din ng daan dito. Naging okay ang daan after nung pandemic. Hindi alam nila mama na pupunta kami. Yung reason kaya kami pumunta dahil maghatid kami ng monthly maintenance medicine ni mama at para makagala na rin kami. Dito kami usually nagse-celebrate either ng Christmas or New Year at kahit Holy Week umuuwi kami dito. Lunchtime na kami nakarating dito at pagkatapos kumain, konting laro lang si Chuchu at pinatulog ko na din. Kinahaponan bago kami umuwi, pumunta muna kami sa rice field. Pina-experience namin kay Chuchu if paano maglakad sa pilapil. 2 years old pa pala tong anak namin pero very talkative and observant na. Mahilig naman sa photography tong husband ko kaya every time may nice view, hindi niya talaga pinapalampas and of course kami ang usual na subjects niya. Bago na. Now, where's the frog? Madilim na nang umalis kami kina mama. Sa sasakyan ko na lang pinakain si Chuchu for dinner at kami naman at bumili lang ng snacks sa 7-Eleven. Mga 8 PM na kami nakarating sa bahay. At yun lang ang nangyari sa buong araw namin. Thank you for watching.
The dog.
Time to go home.
It's time to go home. It's time to go to the mall.
The mall. Time to go back to Davao.
Time to go back to Davao. You, oh no,